In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple, effective online forms using Tally Forms. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. Now, the first thing that we want to do is go to the Tally Forms website. So simply go to tally.so. Now, from here, you'll see this option to create a free form and no sign up is required. So you can create a free form without signing up, but you won't be able to publish your form. So what we want to do is simply sign up for a free account. So click on sign up in the top right. Now you want to enter your details. Now that we have successfully created our account, we will now be redirected to the dashboard of Tally Forms. So this is how it should look like. So you'll see a bunch of different settings right here, such as to search for forms, search for look for members, domain settings, also right here the templates, what's new, roadmap, feature requests, trash, and the help section. Now let's start on creating our form. So click on create form. And now from here, you can either create a form from scratch. As you can see right here, create your first form. So this is it. So press enter to start from scratch. But I could recommend you to get started or use the customizable templates. So this will work better and easier for you. So click here on get started with templates. So now from here, templates are an easy way. You can also use any templates in our library for free. So to use the form template, just click on use a template just right here. And now you'll see a bunch of different templates from here. So the most common forms or online forms you'll see are registration forms or contact forms. You can see. So for now, I'm just going to use the contact form. So this is how it should look like. So now let's click on use template and you'll see something like this. Now you can easily customize this template. So you can move around the uh, sections or the blanks just like that, as you can see. Let's just turn it back to the original one. Now you can, right here, you can click on insert block, add a block. Let's say check boxes or drop down menus or multiple choice. So here, let's just add, let's say, age. So from here, let's select short answer. Now click on insert. Now let's type the question. Let's say age. Enter that. So let's just move it right here. Oops, like that. Now they should answer using this. Let's say insert a block. So I used the wrong element. So let's just click on insert block, select number, click on insert. Now type the question, say age. Now they will have this blank space over here to add the age number. So basically you can add bunch of different elements or questions. So you'll see right here, short answer, long answer, multiple choice for questionnaires, check boxes, drop downs, multi-select, number, email. So as you can see, there's already email right here. So let's say for the other, say payment or signature for the contact form. So you can just leave it as blank or simply put in signature or e-signature. Add it like that. So let's just organize this. First name, is first name, last name, phone number, email, signature, e-signature, year H. So like that. So the page 2 is the thank you page. So if you want to add a new page, just click on add block right there and click on new page. Click on insert, and now you have 3 pages in your online form. So I won't be adding that because we only have the contact form. So there are a bunch of different forms that has a bunch of pages. So you can just simply explore it in the templates. Also right here in the bottom, so your thank you page, you can simply edit this. You can edit this message right here. So also appreciate the time. Let's just say like that. Thanks for contacting us. So you can select this. So this is the first name. So that's basically how you can edit templates in Tally Forms. But again, if you want to create your own form from scratch, again, you can do it. But I suggest you use the templates because the templates has bunch of different they have bunch of different templates here that can help. So you can simply search it. So let's say we're going to create a new one. Just going to draft this. Just going to home, create a new form, use a template. Oh, I think you won't be able to search from here. So this is only their available templates. And again, if you want to start from scratch, simply click here. Now you can enter the blocks yourself. So let's say you want to create a questionnaire. So just add here, questionnaire. Now enter the box. Say, mm, so here long answer. Question number one. Also add another box. Or just simply right here, you can enter the question. So why do you want to be part of our team? So that that's question one. You can also add new questions. So if you want to add multiple choices, just select multiple choice. Let's say age range, or let's just say, oh yeah, let's just say age range. You can add option right here, 18 to 25. Second option is 26 to 31, 32 to 40, like that. So the submit option will always be at the bottom. And also don't forget to create a block for your thank you, or your thank you page. So this will be always the ending of your forms. You can type the message right here and just let's say thank you. That you can also add your a appreciation message or whatever you like. So you'll just need to explore more about the elements or the blocks for creating online forms with Tally Forms. Now to finish your forms, just click on publish in the top right. And as you can see, you'll see the share link right here. So simply copy the share link, share it to the one you want to fill up your form, and you're good to go. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.